Hello traders and Market Club members everywhere. Adam Hewison here, coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. We're going to be looking at the earnings game. We talked about this on the 11th of February. In fact, we have a link just below in the blog to show you what we said before and how successful it was. So we set about doing that, replicating that again, but we only used 5 stocks. And I wanted to show you those 5 stocks today. First of all, here are the rules. You need to see all of the weekly right here and the monthly trade triangles green if you're going to go long. If you're going to go short, you have to be a red monthly and a red weekly. So you need to have the trend in place. So you take a position based on the closing value of that stock. So here was yesterday, right here. Stock we're looking at is Salesforce. CRM is the symbol. And yesterday the stock closed at $62.93. So $62.93. So you'd have gotten long right around that level on the close. Okay? So you go home long Salesforce. Salesforce right now is up for the day quite dramatically. It was a surprise. Nonetheless, the trade triangles had the direction right, and you've just captured a very nice profit just overnight, literally of over 10%, almost 11% right now in Salesforce. So that happened overnight. Okay? Now, it could have gone the other way, but the odds favor you trading with that trend, and that's the key thing to remember. So let's go to the next stock we picked. This is a stock called AVGO Technologies. And again, we had a strong trend, both green monthly and green weekly. We took a position right, went long at 112.68, 112.68, okay? That's where we went long. Market currently is at 127, okay? So again, it's a big pop overnight, and if you look at just the percentage-wise, we're up 15.15% right now in this stock. Simply is it just based on just trading the earnings game, and that's how you do it. You basically go long a stock that has both triangles in a green mode. So moving along, not everyone works. Okay, I want to show you an example of what you want to avoid, and that is you have the two triangles are in conflict. Here you have a red triangle, major trend, indicating that the trend is down, and here you have a green triangle indicating the trend is up. This is stand aside, and look at how the trade triangles nailed this stock. So you only want to go into earnings when you have this color, red, matching another color, red, or this color being green matching this green. So you want to have 2 colors that are in sync. That's the key level. Now this stock, by the way, is down 7% for the day. Not a good meeting. Okay, let's go to our next market. That's what you want to avoid. That would not be a trade we took. Now here's a stock we did take because we had the monthly and the weekly both in sync, and that's the key level. So we took a position right here. We took a position right here at 92.47, and the market's currently trading at 91.71. So this one did not work out very well. It's down about 0.82%. Now I'm going to show you how you can take profits both on the opening and also at the end of the day, or take partial profits during the opening and then take the balance at the end of the day. So let's move on to our last stock. This is Sprouts Farmers Market, symbol SFM, and we had a signal there. Again, it's a mixed signal. That's because the weekly actually came in today. So we would have gone long right on this stock at 37.02, and we would have gotten stopped out because of the weekly coming in at 35.38. So we would have lost money on this one, no question about it. And this stock's down about almost 2% for the day. Again, look at the big winners and look at the small losses you take and the ones you avoid. That's the key thing to remember in this particular strategy. So looking back, this is a big winner for us. This stock's over 10%. This next stock is up 15% almost. This next stock we avoided totally. You should never take this trade, okay? And it shows you why. L Brands down about 0.8%, not very big. But if you had gotten out on the opening, you would have gotten out with a very small loss. And the last one is you would have gotten out of this stock when it hit the weekly. Either you got out on the opening, which would have been a good thing, or you would have gotten out at the market where it is right now. So again, key thing is keep to the rules. That's the important thing. This is Apple. Apple announced on the 9th of March it's going to come out with a spring special, invite journalists and so forth to their campus and discuss what they're going to be coming out, the new things. And the big rumor is, of course, the Apple Watch. So you can see the market is actually up just a fraction for the day, about 0.75%, But again, I think we'll have another push up, possibly to the 135, maybe even higher, but certainly I think we'll have another push up in this stock. So everything is completely go with the green apples, green triangles, the monthly and the weekly. So Apple, March 9th, watch that. I'm Adam Houston from Market Club. I hope you enjoyed this little technique on earnings. You read the copy because it shows you the 3 techniques you can use to get in and out of the markets. Have a great trading day.